A couple of days ago, Nakamichi just released the Shockwave Ultra 9.2 eARC Soundbar. It's their latest continuation of their Shockwave Ultra line. So this is their Shockwave Ultra continuation of their massively popular 9.2 soundbar they released 3 years ago. It was massive. It was highly successful, did so well. So this one is a 45-inch wide soundbar. It's coming with 4 satellites, wireless satellites, and 2 subwoofers. And let me make something clear. Nakamichi is the only brand making subwoofers that come with dual subs. Soundbars that come with dual subs. So it is very important that you know that, because every other manufacturer that makes soundbar do not release their soundbars with the ability to use 2 subwoofers to get the best bass performance. So it's very interesting that this is happening with a brand that is very unique in their own right, and I think it's fantastic, because if you want to get the best out of your movies, you need dual subs. You need dual or quad subs or 4 subs to get the best out of your movie space performance. Look, it is incredible. Like, they've upgraded everything in this new Ultra Shockwave soundbar. The system is compatible with the very best surround formats you are looking at, like Dolby Atmos, DTSX, with additional support for Nakamichi's very own SSE Max technology. The system provides a lot of connection options, including HDMI-eARC, plus 3 additional HDMI inputs. There is a lot of power with this. There is a lot of power to at least match some AV receivers with some with some speakers and subs. Like, you don't need that when you buy this. Other features now will boil down to the speakers themselves. The total drivers in the soundbar is 18. 18, and the subwoofer, they're coming with 2 10-inch subwoofers. So that's quite massive. That's quite massive for most people. The subwoofers are wireless, but the satellite speakers connect to the subwoofers via RCA connection, as the subs house the amplifier for satellite speakers. Power output is quite massive. For the soundbar, it does 400 watts. For the surround speakers, the 4 surround speakers, you get 150 watts each. And then the subwoofer combined is 600 watts. So we are pretty much looking at a massive over 1000 watts output in total. That's quite massive. So it's definitely one of the most powerful soundbars, if not the most powerful soundbar that you can buy with that massive output. And it gives you everything you need. The HDMI, it's coming with, it supports eARC. You can access Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, DTSX, DTS HD Master Audio, and every other audio format that you can think of. Maybe say for Auro 3D, it doesn't support Auro 3D. So that's a very, very nice release, to be honest. It comes with a remote control. You can control it very well. It doesn't have any issue. The control system is very good. And like I said, it's coming with the latest HDMI 2.1. So you have the HDCP 2.3 support. It does pass through Dolby Vision, so that's quite nice for people. It's coming with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX HD And it's really nice. Now, as for pricing, it is not cheap. It is $1,900. So if you kind of have to have the money to be able to go for this, because it is not cheap whatsoever. So you have to have the money to buy it. $1,900 is one of the most expensive pricing for a soundbar. So I will leave all the details you need to see in the description. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see everybody very much next time.